Hi, in this lesson, we will learn that how we can add LifterLMS course author block in our pages. LifterLMS course author block helps users to understand about the author. For example, you added a sales content and you want to show the course author as well so that your user can understand who is the course author for this course. You can see I have a design course sales content here and I added the design course author bio and author's information here. So it helps the user to know about the author. So you can add this LifterLMS course author block in any pages you want. So what you have to do, you have to select an area that where you want to show the course author information. So I have this design course sales content here, and I want to add my course author here. So I want to add the design course author information here. So what we have to do, we have to click on this add block option. Then we have to search for course author. Where is the course author? We have to add it. Then you can see that it's showing that no course selected because we have to select a course. So when we will see the right hand side, we will see we can select a specific course. So as I'm showing the design course sales content, I can specifically choose design course so that design course author will be visible here. So I will choose my design course. You can choose your course as per requirements. You can choose the avatar size, that means the uh, course author image size. Then you can enable or disable the author bio, that means these portions, and that's it, and you can update it now. So is now I visit my home page and refresh it, I will see a new author information here because I selected the design course, and design course author is at the moment is this user. So this is how you can use this.